Man, that fucking one bump murdered my spine. That hurt so bad.
Fucking bumps
I
on that.
smashed my balls and my back went. I was like, I think I'm gonna go watch some races. I'm waiting for somebody to show up. Should be here any minute. Of course, I'm starving. I think it's drag strip races, so that'll be cool. I got this bad boy out. Where's it at? Boom, right there. I'm gonna start it up, let it warm up, and then we'll be off to the races. See you on the flip side. That behind it.
Puts his Camaro on the starting line and takes the green light, he will have a round win. The starting line, we are running to the quarter-mile finish line. That is the triangles at the end of the racetrack. 1360 is the dial in for Vinny Lombardi. Andy Bryant with an 855. So Andy Bryant blows the power back down. But Vinny Lombardi, don't even hand him the time slip on the top end. he's not going to want to see that time slip. He was 042 red. Andy Bryant had a Moving on to the next round is Nahar. So 10-17 on the 10-18. On the second under the dial. Lance. And oh look, there's Bill Finley and Philip Hopkins. Bill Finley going to lead first by almost a ball. Win light, give it to Bill Finley on the double breakout. 10. Next pair, Mike Falk got a Garber Bill, the 64 Stingray on the tower side of the racetrack, dialed in at a 10:55, getting the lead first by an eighth of a second against Jerry Toledo out of Arcata on the spectator side of the racetrack. Jerry dialed in at 10:42. So we take the differences in the dial ins, we take it out of the Christmas tree. Don't even hand it the time slip. Mike Falk was almost 200 green.
Yeah, not cheap anymore. God.
Beretta to the line, the 1988 Chevrolet model.
Sick.
If you get a chance to go look at this car in between rounds, do it. This car is fully finished on the interior. Looks like a super stock.
Oh my gosh.
He runs 10-14-5, 131 miles. Had an issue with one of our pairs.
Why don't you race that guy?
At 8:076, 145 miles an hour, 6:47, getting 8 tenths of a second. Probably had the Darwin mixed up in his delay. Before we move on to the first round of Junior Dragster Group 1.
Man, that fucking one bump murdered my spine. It hurt so bad.
Fucking bumps
I
on that.
smashed my balls and my back went. I was like.